4 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, Домашнее задание, урок 15, часть 2, страница 38-39, English, Starlight for homework, lesson number 15, part number 2, page number 38-39. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 38. Exercise number 1. Read and write the color. What color is your food? Прочитай и напиши цвет. Какого цвета твоя еда? The answer. Number 1, red. Number 2, orange. Number 3, green. Red. The red group has got a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C protects us from colds. This group is good for our hearts too. Number 2, orange. The orange-yellow group has got a lot of vitamin C and vitamin A. Vitamin A is good for our eyes and hair. Number 3, green. The green group has got a lot of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium and iron. Potassium and iron are good for our bodies. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Write your favorite fruit and or vegetables for each color. Напиши про свои любимые фрукты или овощи для каждого цвета. The answer. Gannet, strawberry, tomato, melon, pineapple, and corn. Number 2. Apples, grapes, cucumbers, kiwi, green pepper. Orange, persimmon, apricot, carrot. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 39. Go green. Exercise number 3. Read, draw and color the food. Прочитай, нарисуй и разукрась еду. Я хочу зеленый овощ на ужин. I want a green vegetable with my dinner. The answer. Cucumber, green pepper. Я хочу красный фрукт на обед. I want a red fruit with my lunch. Я хочу красный фрукт на обед. Raspberry, strawberry. Я хочу оранжевый фрукт на завтрак. I want an orange fruit with my breakfast? The answer: orange, apricot. Boys and girls, do exercise number 4. How much do you know about food? Try the quiz. Как много вы знаете о еде? Выполни викторину. Number 1. Vitamin B helps you feel happy. Number 1. Витамин В помогает нам чувствовать себя счастливее. Правда. True. Number 2. We get honey from butterflies. Number 2. Мы получаем мед от бабочек. Ложь. False. Number 3. Tomatoes are fruit, not vegetables. Number 3. Помидоры – фрукты, не овощи. Ответ – ложь. False. Number 4. Chicken can give us a lot of potassium. Number 4. The answer. Курица может дать нам большое количество калия. Ответ – ложь. False. Number 5. A lot of sugar is good for you. Number 5. The answer. Много сахара полезно для нас. Ответ – ложь. False. Number 6. Milk is good for our bones and teeth. Number 6. The answer. Молоко полезно для наших костей и зубов. Ответ – правда. True. Number 7. We get a lot of tea from England. Number 7. The answer. Мы получаем много чая из Англии. Ответ – ложь. False. Number 8. You can get vitamin D from the sun. Number 8. The answer. Мы можем получить витамин D от солнца. Ответ – правда. True. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.